Full material processing. Conquer in all directions. Steel structure processing Almighty King. DW Series Composite Laser Machining Center. As an expert in laser processing applications, we are deeply aware that with the continuous prosperity of the global industrial manufacturing industry, the processing needs faced by users have begun to diversify. Users of steel structure processing would prefer to have a laser cutting machine. It can not only realize the one-stop processing of various profiles, such as H-shaped steel and channel steel, can also cut plate and pipe. Now, our DW Series Composite Laser Machining Center came into being. It can be called the universal master of the steel structure industry. With this device, tube material or sheet can be processed. DW Series Composite Laser Cutting Machine. The standard bed is 28 meters long. You can, according to their own processing needs, configure several different processing stations for it. It can process profiles up to 1.5 meters wide and 0.6 meters high. Maximum machining thickness up to 90 millimeters. It can automatically interconnect with Tekla software for rapid diagram disassembly, whether it is conventional steel or special shaped steel. Can punch holes. Bevel cutting, lug cutting, marking, truncation, and other one-stop processing. We also take full account of the difficulty of cutting accuracy that users often encounter. On the division the device, we are equipped with intelligent deviation correction and positioning. The size and position of profiles are measured in real time. The laser head can intelligently plan the cutting path. Even if the profile is deformed, or the position deviation occurred during loading, can cut with precision. In the processing of profiles, we can do anything with this product. If you also received a sheet processing order, don't worry about having to replace equipment. You only need to configure different sizes of blade tables on its station. It will become a very useful plate laser cutting machine. Punching, vertical cutting, bevel cutting. Can do everything very well. If you have the processing needs of square and round tubes, it is also only necessary to configure the corresponding pipe processing device. You can make a hole. Truncation, bevel cutting, intersecting line cutting. Round pipe processing size range 100 mm to 1200 mm. Square tubes have machine size from 200 mm to 850 mm. Have such a processing equipment. It is equivalent to having a steel cutting machine at the same time. A pipe cutting machine, a sheet cutting machine. Easily save the purchase cost of two devices. Multi-station design. It can also realize the mixing and matching processing of different metal materials. For example, when cutting section steel, the pipes that have been processed can be cut at the same time. The loading area can be used to load the plates at the same time. We don't need to shut down frequently because of a single station. It can also realize the synchronous cycle of feeding, cutting and cutting, greatly save your time and labor costs. Achieve a substantial increase in production efficiency. Save time, effort and money. DW Series Composite Laser Machining Center, the only choice for steel structure processing users. One machine with multiple functions. First choice for steel structure processing.